EMO is very significant, important mission tool exhibition globally. Participation of Indian companies in this show emphasizes the advancement as a country we have made in this field. At AceMicromatic International, we believe collaboration and customer engagements are key to progress. So that's why we are excited about this opportunity in participating these events to partner with our industry distributors, dealers, and customers. AceMicromatic International Germany office is not a very physical office. It is a strategic hub for us. This particular facility we have expanded and enhanced to provide spare part support, services, recondition of key mission tool component. Not only Germany, it reaches out to Italy, Poland, Spain, and also Far East Europe. AceMicromatic Group is present in Europe for over 20 years. We have constantly enhanced our presence with upgradation of facility, addition of manpower, so that we provide a quick responsive support to all our customers. Our constant engagement with the customers gives us a feedback about usage of our product and services. When a customer sees that his feedback is being received well and being given back to the customer for better productivity, it gives more excitement to our partners and customers to rely on our products and services. Our participation in EMO 2025, we are looking forward to engaging with new partners and also with the customers. We welcome you to visit us. We are excited to show our reliably productive machines, which includes machining center, grinding machine, turning machines, and also 3D printing machines, which is being interconnected with Industry 4.0, which would enhance the productive capability in your shop floor. We are excited and looking forward to meeting you at EMO 2025. Welcome to visit us to get reliably productive machines.